Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to survive longer in Free Fire. Opt for less crowded areas initially to gather weapons and gear without immediate confrontation. Avoid staying in one spot for too long to reduce the risk of getting sniped or surrounded. Learn the map layouts to navigate efficiently and find safe zones during the game. Sound cues are crucial in Free Fire. Use headphones to hear enemy footsteps and gunfire. Focus on acquiring a good weapon early to defend yourself effectively. Keep your inventory organized. Prioritize healing items, grenades, and ammo. Always try to move from cover to cover to minimize exposure to enemy fire. Grenades can flush out enemies or provide cover for your movements. Upgrade your vest and helmet whenever possible to increase survivability. Avoid unnecessary fights. Engage only when you have a clear advantage. If playing in squads, communication is key for coordinated attacks and defense. Master the technique of peeking from cover to shoot at enemies without exposing yourself fully. Vehicles can be both an advantage and liability. Use them wisely and be alert for ambushes. Heal behind cover or while moving cautiously to avoid getting shot while vulnerable. Keep an eye on the minimap for enemy locations and the shrinking safe zone. Always move towards the safe zone early to avoid getting caught outside the play area. Open fields and spaces makes you an easy target. Use them sparingly and with caution. Different weapons have different strengths. Use them accordingly to the situation. Practice close-range combat skills for encounters in buildings or tight spaces. Panicking leads to mistakes. Stay calm and assess the situation before reacting. Save med kits for emergencies. Use bandages or energy drinks for minor healing. Each game is a learning experience. Analyze what went wrong and improve. And that's how to survive longer in Free Fire. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.